Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by preparing a blank character to paste as your device name. Open Notes and create a new note. Type or insert a 0 width space character so it looks empty. Once done, tap and hold the invisible character and choose Copy. Now open Settings, go to General, then About, and tap Name. You're ready to overwrite your visible Bluetooth name with that copied, invisible character. You will now replace the existing label with the invisible character you copied. Tap into Name, select the current text, paste the 0 width space, and then tap Done. This works because iOS treats that Unicode character as text while rendering no visible glyph. Bluetooth will broadcast it as blank to other devices. After saving, give the system a few seconds to update the Bluetooth cache so nearby devices finish by verifying the result. Open Bluetooth settings or pair with another device to confirm the name appears empty. If the old name persists, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or restart your iPhone to force a refresh. Make sure the copied invisible character is actually pasted before saving. If paste doesn't work, try the Braille blank character U plus 2800 or choose a single symbol such as dash. These alternatives achieve minimal or effectively absent display names.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.